Hello, Caesar here. I'm doing a back-to-back review today. Had some time so I could get down to doing two reviews. I have one on my Z-Packs tarp. So now figured I'd do another recent purchase. They got to me about exactly the same time. My Montbell Alpine light down, hooded down Parka. It is super warm. Just wearing it briefly here for this review. I'm already starting to sweat. Now let's get the specs before I discuss just how my first impressions of it are. Because with clothing, it's much easier to talk about first impressions because I can wear it like right away. Obviously, like things like a tarp or like a shelter, you have to go out and try it on the field. But anyway, this is a size large. It weighs 405 grams on its own. This particular one, when I weighed it. It came with a little stuff sack too. That only weighs like 10 grams or whatever. I do not plan on using that stuff sack. But yeah, 405 grams is pretty good considering how warm this is. Previously I bought used ultralight down Parka, also in Montbell, a few years ago. And that weighed 300 grams. And this, for another 100 grams, this is so much warmer. I think because I got my last down jacket used, the loft was a bit compromised because it was pretty heavily worn. But I got a good deal on it, and I did put it to good use. But yeah, it was nice to buy this new to get nice and lofty and everything. But the fit. Now let's talk about the subjective things here. So the fit is good. I'm 6 foot tall. I'm not really sure what kind of frame I have. Last time I weighed myself, I was between 80 and 85 kilos, but you can see how it fits me. Let me zip it up. It fits really well. When I tried it on in front of my wife, she thought too that it fit like perfectly, and I agree. The zipper is good. There were some complaints with some other jackets that Montbell has, like the Frost Lime Parka, which is it's more down, it's a little heavier and much warmer, and it has a draft tube as a part of that. But this one does not have it has a bit of a, I wouldn't really call this a draft tube here, but it's got a little bit of a flap here. No snagging. I put it on several times. It goes all the way up with little issue. It's a bit snug around the neck here, but it's that's also not, I mean, it's supposed to be to keep you warm. But put the hood on, cinch it up, and you can see how much coverage it has here. You can tighten that up, of course. It's got a drawstring around the waist. It's got nice pockets with like a nice felt fabric on the inside of the pockets. It's nice. There's also pockets on the inside here. So yeah, I'm very happy with it so far. Just for the record, I'm not sponsored by Montbell or anybody else. I just thought I'd do a good first kind of impressions of this. This is the newer edition with the, I should talk about the fabric too. It's 20 denier on the outside. It used to be 30 denier. So this Alpine light, this version is slightly lighter than older versions. I like that they went to 20 denier because 30 deniers, that's very durable. 20 denier is a nice compromise. They have other jackets. Montbell has other jackets that's only 7 denier, nylon on the outside. And for me, that was pushing it. That's a bit too fragile for my liking. My thing lately has been trying to get things that are durable, that'll last. So I'm hoping that this will be, this will last. This will be very durable. So yeah, fits great. Super warm. Like I said, just sitting here wearing it for this brief time, I'm like really warm. Looking forward to using this. This will actually save me a good deal of weight because it will eliminate some other layers that I would wear in the winter time, and they'll be redundant. I won't need to wear them because this is like super warm. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful, and hopefully you're getting out there this winter. Looking forward to snow and ice and frost. Right now, unfortunately, it's been a very mild winter thus far. A lot of rain here in like southwestern Sweden. But okay. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.